My name's Dafydd Thomas, I'm the Global Education Manager for GHD. With my GHD Platinum Plus, I've created a range of looks today. We've gone from sultry Hollywood waves to something that's a bit more fresh and youthful in anti-volume waves as well. We've gone to something quite grungy, and then also finished with a braid with a bit of face framing texture as well. So I always consider myself one of the lucky ones because I've not actually known the hairdressing industry without GHD. Working in salon, I went to Salon International for the first time with my college, and I just remember being at Salon International, getting onto the bus afterwards, and everybody like passing this tool around the bus, and there was like a hive of excitement around. And one of the students had basically bought a GHD, and I was like, what is this tool? I'm obviously new to the industry. Instantly bought one for myself because everybody wanted a pair, and obviously never looked back. So being the Global Education Manager for GHD is amazing. GHD at the moment is a very exciting place to be. You know, we're ever growing, we're growing into new markets and everything. So for me, being able to travel and introduce new stylists and new markets to GHD is something that's extremely exciting. And it almost allows me to relive that initial discovery part of GHD that I felt 17 years ago.